Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashish and in this channel we mostly discuss about how to read the market, how to read chart, how to do technical analysis, and if we took any intraday trades we also provide the logic behind the trade. So today we traded two stocks. One of them was PVR and second one was MFSL. So in PVR I recommended shorting at around 945 in the range of 1270 to 74. The logic behind was, if you see the morning session here, and you can see that there was a swing high. So in this yesterday we saw some upside move and it came up with the volume. Okay, then price went down and it also had some volume, had good volume, not some volume. So in the opening scenario we saw some rejection in the downside. So if this rejection was genuine, then either the next candle should have moved or closed above high of this candle, and in the morning session it should have broken this pivot high, swing high you can say, but it did not. In the second candle it came down again. It tried to go upside, but because of no volume price didn't move up. Then there was candle that broke this level, swing high, so it's swing low of 722. So as soon as it broke we provide, so this candle closed around 945. so in this time I recommended that we should now sort PVR, and so our entry point was 1272, range was 1270 to 74. I entered around 1272 and stop loss was not more than this candle. Okay, so our stop loss was around 1285. okay, so given this swing as well, so we had 1285 and our target was this one, low of this. Okay, so our target was approximately 1225. So we saw sudden breakdown till the point of 1246, but since this was like sudden breakdown, so there must be certain you can say retracement. So at this point we book half of the profit around 1247, and then I recommended to kind of hold on to second half, or you can say rest half of the price. Okay, so we book half around 1247 and then we saw some upside move. Volume wasn't as much expected. Then there was some sideways movement. So again the market was thinking whether to go upside or downside, but not much of the activity was coming up. Then price came down suddenly. Okay, so here we book profit. It came down but price went up. So when price came down here we book our complete profit at 1243. so on average we exited around 1245. so if we see about the price action, then our price risk reward ratio, reward to risk ratio, then we saw around, you can say 1245. we saw around 2 times reward than risk, and also as was price was coming down we trailed our stop loss to our VWAP. so we weren't like, when it came down to 1247 I recommended that your stop loss should be trailed to cost. Then when it came down to 1245, then again we recommended your that stop loss should be trailed to 1260. so we were getting good profit. So overall we got around 27 point in this trade. Then our next trade was MFSL. Why MFSL? If you see here, in the opening candle was good, having good volume, but next candle came down, less volume, but next candle again break down the first candle volume. and also first candle low, but unfortunately did not break the swing low of previous day. So we were expecting that yes, price may go up, and it went up, but you are seeing that as price is moving up, volume is coming down. Okay, and same goes for this. So these were the time when there was a fight between, so price coming down, then volume is also coming down, then volume went up, price went up, sideways volume, sideways price action, and then we saw some good kind of candle which can be bullish in one sense, because we are seeing hammer kind of candle, one hammer, two hammer, three hammer, then bullish candle, but you can see the volume is not coming. So in this one, even the small movement is there, volume is there, but the next candle no volume is there, then price came down. So here when it broke down this level, when it break down around 12, when it was around 12, 981.75, then I recommended that when this candle closed, I recommended that the price will go down, and the next candle was strong bearish, and so this was indication that price will go down. Then now the time was when are we going to enter? So if we see here, we saw some bullish kind of reversal, then again red candle, then price went up. So this candle was our entry point, because we are seeing much less volume, or you can say low volume and price movement. So this was mostly profit booking point. So sellers who have sold here exited here, or the panic exiting, you can say. Okay, so in this one people exited, and this was our trading point. So we took entry here in this green candle, and our stop loss was not more than 980 rupees. So our stop loss was just 2 rupees, around 2 rupees. So 977 I entered, and then I took 980 as a sell, and target was day low, simple. But I booked at around I booked in this candle 970. Okay, so I booked around 970, because again we saw some kind of at this point some reversal is seen here, so we were expecting that okay, we can go with low profit. It is like, okay, all it matters that we need to make profit, right? Then price came down, then again, so overall target was achieved, but we couldn't take whole profit, or you can say complete profit at here. So here we are seeing that reward to risk ratio is 3.3. okay, so it's a good one. So 1:3. In this one I had huge quantity. Okay, so that's all. So here mostly you can say that we took trade based on the volume price action. We are also seeing volume, we are also seeing the overalls, how the prices or the candles are moving. Okay, so that will be all. See you on the next trade. Hope you learned something. In case you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. I will make sure that the learning videos are coming on regular basis. See you on the next trade. Happy trading.